Okay, please.
Thank you for 松村先生。
あ、別に日本語でも全然結構です。
あ、じゃあ
大丈夫です、全然。
ジェネシスプログラム TA の大川です。My name is Yasisa Moa. I am teaching assistant for Genesis program. I joined this trip. I am very happy to meet Matsumoto. Many good. I can stay in the place. Especially, I'm lucky to drink this alcohol.
ああ、梅のやだね、梅のやだね。
Thank you. Next.
じゃあそれも今持ってるの。Like a mic. No. You don't need that.
My mother will shock.
Okay, just speak with the sun.
Okay, my name is Satya Chandra Wibawasakti. I'm from Indonesia. I'm a participant of Genesis program. I'm very happy to enjoy this trip, and then it is the opposite of my mind. When Tanaka Sensei said that it's about workshop, I think it's not a workshop. Yeah, I think it's not a workshop, but we still have learned much. I'm proud of this experience. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay. You.
Hi, I'm Julius from the Philippines. So, I'm very happy to join this workshop. I learned a lot since I am not we are from different fields, but I think we have some things that are the same. And then it's very nice to work with people from different fields and have the same ideas about improving our country. Yeah. And then it's nice that we have the chance to taste the different kinds of sake. And this miskan is very good. Yeah. You should join the workshop.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
My name is Vipin. I'm from India, and I'm very happy to join this workshop, especially with these students. I got a chance to mix with the Philippines, Indonesians, and Japanese, and also first time I am trying different variety of food, and this is my first dinner like this. Thank you for.
Okay. Oh. Thank you in India wa namaste. What do you say thank you in India?
Your mother tongue. Nani. Oh my God.
Nani?
Nani.
In my national language, it is called Shukriya. Shukriya or Dhanyavad.
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 Shukriya. How about Philippine?
Salamat.
Salamat? でもlike someさんがインドネシアだとサラマパン。
What's difference?
Different.
Indonesia is congratulations.
違う。
But it's similar.
Indonesia, thank you is terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Yeah. Terima kasih. Very famous word. Terima kasih.
You know.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih and sama-sama. Sama-sama is yoga.
Oh, great. Okay, please.
Kotobawa dekine. Hi, I'm Din from Indonesia. I enjoy this trip. Firstly, I was surprised because we are study in hotel. I think the campus is pretty good because it is like a hotel. so and today we learned a lot about information system. I think information is very good because in the recent era, information control everything, even political and also the other things. I hope this is here I can learn about also Japanese food and sake, but I didn't.
Can you?
Sake, but I didn't drink Daijoubu. Thank you.
Thank you. 素晴らしいです。はいはいはい、パチパチパチパチパチ。Okay, please.
Hi, I'm Maria from Philippines, and I am very happy to join this workshop. I don't have any expectation about the workshop since Sensei did not tell us anything about it. But this workshop turned out very interesting. It's like sharing information from different countries, and at the same time, it's sharing culture from different countries. And I'm very happy to be with you here. And this is my first time to drink different kinds of Japanese drink, and I like the mikan.
Oh,
Yes.
mikan.
Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Hi, I'm Finam from Indonesia, and I feel very happy first to join Genesis program and second to join the workshop. I think workshop is very interesting because we just have limited time, so we should thinking very fast, and I think it's really good experience. So we can put everything in our mind, and I also like the drink. This is the first time I know the alcohol is not always bitter. Because in my mind it's always bitter, but the other is really nice, especially the peach one.
Peach, you like too?
If you
Maybe
have
you should
time-
buy the souvenir for peach. If you like, yeah, you can. You should do that. Yeah,
I
yeah.
think that's all. And for all of the people here, thank you very much for giving me very colorful and wonderful life in Sapporo, in Japan.
Oh. パチパチ。で、なんかコメントされます。いいですか、もう。せっかくで、じゃあ少しだけ。じゃあお顔映しますよ。お顔映しますよ。
顔を映して。
じゃあ映しますよ。どうぞ。いや、でも日本でいいんじゃないですか。全然。
I'm very pleased. I enjoy this workshop. It's very interesting. And then I firstly know your new characteristic, personality. I know firstly your personality by this workshop. So it's very happy. And then I want to say Matsuno Sensei planning this workshop. Yeah, I'm very happy. Yeah, thank you very much.
ありがとうございました。もう素晴らしいです。よろしいですか。どうぞ。もしよろしい。
Also, I'm really enjoying to attending the workshop, and then also we enjoy the meditating, and then also the today. And we can learn how to teach. Then it's a very important thing for us. And also we thank very much for the professor answering us. Then thank you very much.
ありがとうございました。じゃあまあこの辺全部編集させていただいて、I'm going to upload on YouTube. Please very much looking forward to watching that. Okay? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay.